All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and I want to give you a quick video on a feature that comes on the Galaxy S10 devices. And this will probably be something that goes forward on probably all of the Galaxy S line and Note line in the future, and it is called wireless PowerShare. Now, when you turn this on, it'll allow you to charge another phone or something else that charges wirelessly through your phone. Now, mind you, this phone has a 3100 milliamp hour battery, so. And also, I think the charge on here is like a trickle charge. It's like four watts or something like that. Nonetheless, it's not going to be fast. So when you turn this on, this is the screen that you get. It tells you to put another device next to yours. You hear a little beep, and then you'll see the pixel will start to come on. And then there you go, it's charging. Now you can sit it down on a table like they have it. That's what I don't recommend that you hold it, but there you go. Now, my pixel was already charged to 100, so it's just going to cycle through and it's going to keep charging. So if you tap the power button on the pixel, you can see that it's still actually charging, and it just hit back to 100. So that is a feature that I don't know that I would actually use a lot, but the fast way to get to it is just right up here in the power in the drop down menu from the notification shade, and you will have wireless charging for another device. Now, my concern about that is, even if you have one that's more powerful than this, a 4,000 milliamp hour battery or something like that, I don't think Samsung meant for this to be used with other phones, to charge other phones and stuff like that. I think they are probably just focusing some on their like little buds and stuff like that, small things to charge. So this is something you need to be mindful of if you decide to try this out. I personally don't recommend you use this because what for? You're just going to drain your battery and then your phone battery is going to die. So whatever you're charging, if you need to charge up your earbuds real quick, I think that's definitely, they demo it like that, but they make fun of, other phones by showing that you can charge another phone. But try that if you want to. You'll have two phones that'll die fast or whatever, so that slow charge that it gives off, correct me in the comments if it's not 4 watts or whatever, but you just let me know. And but I just want to demo that for you, let you see a quick demo of just that, and show you how it works, man. So it's a cool feature, falls more into the gimmicky side to me, because I will never probably even reach up there to turn that on. That is not something that I would personally use. I would rather just charge whatever it is, how it goes. So that's just my personal opinion on that. You can disagree if you want to. I respect it, but what I will say is that it's not something, once again, it's not something that I'm going to use at all, man. I actually forgot it was there. I didn't even talk about it because in the unboxing, because I didn't really go over the software too much in the unboxing. And in my 48 hours, I didn't really go over it. But, it's a thing. And it's something that Samsung put on the phones. Is it cool? It's very cool. Will I use it? Once again, will you use it? Let me know in the comments. For those that do use it, how fast is it charging your stuff up? It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.